So, how long does it take to burn out a tree stump? Well, it really depends on the size of the tree stump. This one in particular was a 30-year-old tree that had been taken out. For that size of tree, it would probably take about 3 months. The first time that you take out the tree, you have a stump, and the stump is relatively wet. You need to dry it out. There are products that you can buy, such as Stump Out, which will take out which will dry out the stump. But you don't need the stump out. You could also just use bleach or Epsom salts. The unfortunate side is it would literally take 2 months to dry out that tree stump. Anyhow, after that, after you've dried it out for 2 months, that is when you can get started actually burning out the stump. Now, when you get started, starting to burn the stump takes quite a bit of time. The first weekend that I started working on it, I literally set the stump on fire and had the stump burning all night long on Friday night. And then I had to add more fuel to the stump. And I kept doing that until Sunday. And literally, the tree stump looked like that. You see, this tree was taken down at exactly the same time, and it had been planted at exactly the same time. So the first time you start trying to remove a tree stump, it literally takes a very long time, and then you start forming what I like to call a bowl, where the center of the stump starts burning faster than the outsides. And then, of course, weather comes in. Sometimes it rains, sometimes it gets too windy. You really have to watch out for that. And so, literally, this stump took me a little over a month. So, we're talking about it took 5 weeks. So, just to fill you in,